Okay, today is June 17, Wednesday. Um, if you look above, today's unit is on adaptations. Usually, I decided that we're gonna take the rest of the year to work on the test questions because, as I stated here, I feel it's best that you guys take tests. Usually, especially in college, you learn how to take these tests and read these graphs and learn how to figure out the right answers to each question. Okay, so basically on questions 11 and 12, you're going to base your answers. Wait, guys, I'm going to mute you, okay? I'm going to mute you guys. Let me see. So we're going to based on the questions 11 and 12 on the graphs below and on your knowledge of science, the graph shows the population of rabbits with 4 different fur colors in one area. Graph A represents the population of rabbits 10 years ago. So this is 10 years before. And this is the population. This graph represents the population of rabbits today. Okay? So we noticed that tan rabbits, before 10 years ago, there was a lot of tan rabbits because as this goes up on the y-axis, that means the number goes up. So later we find out that a lot of the gray rabbits seem to kind of took advantage or whatever situation there was, and they grew in population. So white and black, they pretty much stay the same. So we look at question number 11. At the end of the 10-year period, which color of rabbit appears to be best adapted to its environment? Adapted. I don't know. I keep on getting words wrong today for some reason. All right. So this is easy. Easy. So it's basically saying after the 10 years, which rabbit was the one that was best adapted? Okay, I'm gonna unmute you. Should I unmute? No, I don't want you to give away the answers, so I'm not going to unmute you. So let's look at, okay, we're not done with 12. 12. Variations in traits such as the fur color of rabbits may be caused by. So what, oh, you guys know this one. What is the variation of traits? Basically meaning these could possibly be from all the same species. However, some of them might be white, some of them might be tan. What are these adaptations caused by? Sexual reproduction, decrease in air pollution, dynamic equilibrium, adequate resources. But you guys know this one. This is easy for you. So I'm going to move on. I only gave you 3 questions because mostly I want you to work on question 54. So let's read it. Base your answers to question 54 and 55 on the diagrams below and on your knowledge of science. The diagrams represent a rabbit and an owl. Rabbits eat only plants and typically feed during the day in open areas, such as fields and meadows. Owls eat only rabbits and other small animals and hunt mainly at night. So if you usually see owls at night, they have these large eyes. Rabbits mostly they reproduce a lot and they're fast. So you hardly see owls and rabbits as predator and prey. But identify one physical adaptation represented in the diagram that helps the rabbit survive in its environment. Describe how the adaptation helps the rabbit to survive. So the rabbit is constantly from wolves, from eagles, from hawks, from snakes. The rabbit is honestly one of a prey for many carnivores. So how does this rabbit survive and is able to survive in its environment? Name one physical adaptation. There's a physical adaptation right on this picture, bro. From what comes to my mind, I know something that helps the rabbit survive really good, and it's because it's so I'm the video's about to end. I have to stop, and I'll unmute you guys right now. Okay. Let me see. How do I